Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a reminder clip for the beginner class at the Kenn Centre on the 14th of February 2023. We did a first move, a man spin, a lady spin and a comb. Now if you need teaching information, there are links to the teaching clips in the description below, and now we'll show you how everything went together. It went like this. It went 5, 6, a first move. We went a back, in, twist, twist, turn, face, return for the man spin, we went through, caught right for the lady spin, prepare, spin, caught right for the comb, did the return into the comb and back, sets you up to go back into the first move. So it's quite a short routine. Do like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Everyone who does that, thank you, because it helps promote the channel. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.